Welcome. Today we are looking at European invasion of Africa and the process of colonization. Revision questions. Question 1. A. Define the terms scramble, partition. B. Give reasons for the European scramble and partition of Africa. C. What methods did the European powers use to acquire colonies in Africa? Question 2a. What were the terms of the Berlin Acts? B. Discuss the impact of the partition of Africa. 3. State the factors that facilitated European colonization of Africa. Question 4a. State 2 ways in which Africans responded to European rule. B. Explain the causes of the Maji-Maji uprising between 1905 and 1907. C. What were the consequences of the Maji-Maji uprising? 5a. Why did the Maji-Maji rebellion fail? B. List the reforms that were made by the Germans after the Maji-Maji rebellion. Question 6a. Explain why Samori Toure resisted the French between 1891 and 1898. B. What enabled Samori Toure to resist for so long? C. Why was Samori Toure finally defeated by the French? D. Explain the results of Samori Toure's resistance against French occupation between 1882 and 1896. Question 7a. State the causes of the Chemurega War of 1896 to 1897. B. Explain why the Chimurenga revolters were defeated. C. What were the results of the Chimurega War? Question 8a. Explain why Lewanika of the Lozi collaborated with the British. B. Identify the treaties that Lewanika signed with the British. C. List any 4 terms of the Treaty of 1900s between Lewanika and the British. D. Give the results of Lewanika's collaboration with the British. Question 9a. Explain why the Buganda collaborated with the British between 1875 and 1900. B. State the terms of the Buganda Agreement of 1900. C. What were the impact of the Buganda Agreement? Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.